dydx, the foundation supporting decentralized crypto exchange project, has requested $30 million in funding from the project's governing Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAO for 3 years. The Switzerland-based dydx Foundation provides legal, R&D, marketing and technical support to the crypto trading project, which includes a perpetual futures contract exchange and specialty blockchain in the Cosmos and Ethereum ecosystems. The foundation's goal is to grow dydx into the exchange layer of the internet. If approved by dydx token holders, the funding would award the foundation 4% of the DAO's current treasury and free it from submitting annual budgets for review and approval, a common practice for other DAOs and their respective foundations. Well, the request received widespread approval from dydx stakeholders, and a vote will take place through February 2nd. Nearly half of the requested budget would cover payroll, with 18% going to marketing and growth, 14% to various legal disbursements, and 5.5% to contractors, among other line items. The foundation plans to manage the fund responsibly through capital preservation strategies, diversifying some of the acquired funds into fiat and stablecoins, and investing in expanding its staking operations. The $30 million would comprise 10.5 million dydx tokens and extend the foundation's operational runway beyond 18 months. The next budget request would likely occur in mid or late 2026, instead of annual and semi-annual reports detailing its use of the funds.
The Ethereum Foundation's network developers recently announced the deployment schedule for the highly anticipated Dencun upgrade on the Sepolia and Holesky Testnets. The significant milestone generated considerable speculation. The preliminary trials were conducted on Goreli on January 17th. Before the official release and announcement of roadmap, Dencun must be implemented into its initial testnet to validate its robustness and guarantee a smooth transition to a new version of Ethereum. This execution represents a significant progression from the initial testing phase to the practical deployment. Users and developers of Ethereum have been anticipating this final deployment with great anticipation, as it is considered to signify the start of a novel era for Layer 1 blockchain networks focused on smart contracts. The Dencun upgrade encompasses several significant modifications, including the EIP 4844 for shard blob transactions, which will contribute to the reduction of Layer 2 transaction fees. It also seeks to increase the flexibility and usability of the Ethereum blockchain network across industries by decreasing transaction fees and accelerating transaction speeds, thereby enhancing the accessibility and usability of the Ethereum Foundation. For non-staking Sepolia Holesky node operators, users will need to update their node's consensus layer and execution clients to the version listed on the official website. The integration of Dencun is therefore massive in terms of increased use and accessibility to the Ethereum blockchain due to the radical reduction of transaction costs, which will also certainly stimulate the introduction of more Layer 2 innovations.
Invesco and Galaxy Asset Management have lowered the fee of its spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund to 0.25% from 0.39%, the issuers announced Monday. The move puts the sponsor fee for the Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF in line with that the most fellow issuer. Only ARK and 21 Shares, Bitwise and Franklin Templeton offer lower fees versus their peers. Invesco said it will continue to waive fees for the first 6 months or until it reaches $5 billion in assets, according to the statement. The index provider has had a slightly worse start to the ETF race than some other TradeFi issuers of the same caliber, including BlackRock and Fidelity, which both attracted roughly $2 billion in total volume in the first 11 days. Since its inception, Invesco's Bitcoin Spot ETF has only seen a little over $280 million in inflows into its fund. Well, that's all in this special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.0TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Thank you.